There was a story of a brave chieftain named Lapu-Lapu, who ruled the island of Mactan in the Visayas. In 1521, Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan arrived in the Philippines under the Spanish flag. Magellan sought to convert locals to Christianity and establish Spanish dominance. When Magellan demanded that Lapu-Lapu and his people submit to Spanish rule and convert, Lapu-Lapu refused. This led to the battle in Mactan on April 27, 1521. Lapu-Lapu and his warriors fought fiercely, using their knowledge of the terrain to their advantage. The battle resulted in Magellan's death, making a significant defeat for the Spanish expedition.
Where's Ferdinand? Call him now.
Captain, the king is looking for you. We want to see you now. Hurry up.
Yes, Your Majesty. What can I do for you? Ferdinand, I want you to lead an expedition to the East Indies, spread Christianity, and claim new lands for Spain. Yes, Your Majesty. I promise I will do it. Be careful, Ferdinand. The journey will be difficult, but if you succeed, you will be rewarded. I will not fail, Your Majesty. I promise. Gather around, everyone. Today, we're going on a great mission. Be ready and prepared.
Captain, what is our goal?
We're traveling to find and claim new lands and riches.
Captain, what will we do if they don't agree with our religion?
We will force them and conquer their lands.
The sun comes up in Mactan Island, and the day starts. People go out to find food, climbing coconut trees, and picking fresh fruits and vegetables. lending a hand in harvest food. The island's gardens provide an abundance of fruits and vegetables, and the coconut trees offer shade and oil. As they work, they chat and laugh with each other, enjoying the warm sunshine and beautiful scenery. Life in Mactan Island is simple, peaceful, and close to nature. People in Mactan are happy and having fun together, feeling grateful for their simple and peaceful life. Everyone's happy and connected, living in harmony with the island's beauty. Some people hunt for food deep in the forest, using traditional methods, using bows and arrows. Hunters move quietly through the forest, listening for sounds and tracking signs of their prey. When they spot an animal, they take aim and release their arrow, hoping to make a clean and humane kill. Is a skill passed down through generations, requiring patience, stealth, and knowledge of the forest and its creatures. When the hunters return to the village with their catch, they celebrate. prepared their own cooking fire and made a fire in a rock or stick. The sparks flying upwards as they struck the flint, the dry tinder crackling to life. Preparing a feast, cooking the fresh meat over an open fire. The aroma of roasting meat fills the air, making everyone's mouth water. Ferdinand Magellan, on the other hand, is preparing to set sail on a historic voyage across Pacific Ocean. They're on a big ship, sailing endlessly across the vast Pacific Ocean. Only sea and sky are visible as the crew searches for land. The ship's sails billow in the wind, the creaking of the wooden hull and the groaning of the ropes, a constant companion to the crew. Magellan instructing his companions on what to do, his voice clear and authoritative. His companion nods, grasping the wheel firmly as she takes over the ship's navigation. The crew moves with practiced ease, their bodies tanned and weathered from years at sea. Magellan turns to his trusted companions, his voice clear and authoritative as he assigns tasks for the day. Someone leads a team to check the sails, the other one sets to work repairing the damaged rope, and others moves among the crew, checking on their well-being and offering words of encouragement. The men look up at him with respect. The sea stretches out before them, endless and blue, with no sign of land in sight. But Magellan is undeterred, his eyes fixed on the horizon, his heart driven by a sense of adventure and discovery. Back to Mactan Island, the Raja and Datus are busy discussing something. Then suddenly, Magellan arrives, which surprises them.
May mga dayuhan! May mga dayuhan! Raong Mamon, may mga dayuhan na dumarating!
Sino kayo? At ano ang iyong dahilan? Bakit kayo naparito sa aming lupa?
Ako si Ferdinand Magellan, isa akong kapitan at manlalakbay. Ang dahilan bakit kami naparito sa inyong lupain ay gusto namin pagkaibigan at pakilala ang Kristyanismo.
Raong Mamon, huwag tayo masyado magtiwala sa mga dayuhan nito.
Ang ad namin ay kapayapaan at pagkakaisa.
Ano ang Kristyanismo? Ano ang aral na dala nito?
Ang Kristyanismo ay nagtuturo ng pag-ibig at pagsunod sa Diyos. naniniwala kami na si Kristo ay anak ng Diyos.
Anak ng Diyos? Hindi ko alam ang tungkol dito.
Sa aming relihiyon, mayroon kaming mga anito na nagbibigay ng mga proteksyon at biyaya.
Kaya kami nandito upang tulungan kayo na makilala ang tunay na Diyos.
Ako ay nag-iisip tungkol dito. Pero ako ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo pagdating.
Kami rin, papasalamat sa inyong pagtanggap. Naniniwala kami na ang Kristyanismo ay ang daan upang maligtas ang inyong mga kaluluwa.
Kapitan Magellan, napagpasyahan namin na tatanggapin na namin ang Kristyanismo.
Raja Humabon invited the other Datas, including Datu Lapu-Lapu, to discuss the arrival of Magellan and his reason for coming to the island, which is to spread Christianity.
Inimbitahan ko kayo dito para ipaalam sa inyo na may mga dayuhan na nagpapalaganap ng isang relihiyon na ang tawag ay Kristyanismo.
At sumasang-ayon kami sa kanila sa kadahilan, ito ay tunay na relihiyon ng Diyos.
Mga kapatid, ako ay nagpapasya na sundin ang Kristyanismo at inaasahan ko kayo na susunod rin sa akin.
Ako'y susunod sa iyo, Rahaw Makon.
Hindi! Hindi ako sumasang-ayon sa iyong mga desisyon. Ang ating mga ninuno ay sumasamba sa mga nito. Hindi tayo dapat sumusunod sa mga dayuhan.
Datu Lapu-Lapu, ako ay nag-iisip tungkol dito pero naniniwala ako na ang Kristyanismo ay ang tamang daan.
Hindi! Hindi ako papayag. Ako'y lalaban sa mga dayuhan at sa mga reliyon. Handa ko'y buwis ang aking buhay para sa ating
Datu
lupain.
Lapu-Lapu doesn't agree with Christianity, so he left the Raja and Datas, leaving them speechless. As he walked past Magellan, he shot him a piercing glare, his eyes blazing with intensity and warning. When Lapu-Lapu left, Raja Humabon decided to go to Magellan to tell him that Lapu-Lapu doesn't agree with Christianity.
Kapitan Magellan, may problema ako.
Ano yun, Raha?
Si Lapu-Lapu ay hindi sumasangayon sa ating mga plano. Hindi siya sumusunod sa ating mga utos.
Siya ay malaking problema. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, Raha Humabon. Ako ay kukumbinsihin siya na sumang-ayon sa atin.
Paano mo siya kukumbinsihin, Magellan? Siya ay isang matigas ang ulo.
Ako ay gagamit ng diplomasya at pag-uusap. Ipapaliwanag sa kanya ang mga benepisyo ng Kristyanismo sa buhay nila. At kung hindi siya susunod, ako ay gagamit ng puwersa.
Pero Magellan, dapat kang mag-ingat. Si Lapu-Lapu ay hindi dapat maliitin.
Magellan's mind begins to churn with strategies and tactics, his eyes narrowing as he ponders the challenge.
Mga kasama, tayo ay mag-ensayo ngayon upang maging handa sa anumang laban. Tayo ay magsasanay ng mga sandata at magpapalakas ng ating katawan. Magsasanay at magpapalakas upang pagtanggol ang ating lupain, kalayaan at ating mga tradisyon.
Datu Lapu-Lapu, kami ay handa na para mag-ensayo.
Magaling! Tayo ay mga mangdirigma, magpapakita ng tapang at katatagan.
Datu Lapu-Lapu's fierce determination fuels his people as he trains them to be warriors, ready for any battle. The sound of clashing bamboo spears and swords echoes through the island, a testament to their preparation.
Okay, everyone, listen up. We're going to Lapu-Lapu to talk to him. We will try to convince him to follow Christianity. But Magellan, Lapu-Lapu doesn't agree with Christianity. What will you do if he say no again? We will try to convince him by talking to him. But if he say no again, we will use force and authority.
Magellan and his companions decide to go to see Lapu-Lapu, who is training his people.
Datu Lapu-Lapu, nandito kami upang makipag-usap sa iyo at magipagtulungan. Nais namin na ikaw at ang iyong mga tao ay sumang-ayon sa Kristyanismo. Umalis na kayo. Hindi namin kailangan ang reliyong niyo. Lapu-Lapu, nais lang namin na tulungan kayo makilala ang Diyos. Sa inyo na ang Diyos niyo at may sarili kami sinasamba. Walang iba ang mga anito. Umalis na kayo sa aming lupain. Umalis na kayo at hindi namin kailangan ng Diyos niyo at may sarili kaming tradisyon. He is not listening, Captain. In that case, we have no choice but to fight him. We cannot let him defy the authority of our king and the church.
The gunshot rings out, shattering the tension, and the Battle of Mactan begins.
Bakit tayo magtumunod ka? Ito na yung review namin. Kailan kami, hindi kami susunod sa isang katulad nyo na naparito lang sa aming lupain. Manunay, kamatayan para sa inyo!
Battle of Mactan is over. Magellan is dead, killed, and hit by a poisonous arrow to his neck. The Spanish forces retreat, defeated. That's the end of the war. Lapu's warriors celebrate their victory, having defended their island. Magellan's body is left on the beach, a symbol of the battle's end and the islanders' triumph. The islanders have won, preserving their way of life.
Mabuhay si Lapu-Lapu! Mabuhay! Mabuhay!
Salamat mga kapatid. Salamat sa iyong mga suporta. Oo, kamihan lang mamatay para sa ating lupain.
Ang mga alon ng karagatan ay tulad ng mga alon ng buhay. Minsan ay tahimik, minsan ay malakas. Ngunit ang isang tunay na mandirigma ay hindi natatakot sa mga alon ng buhay. Nanalo tayo sa labanan, ngunit hindi ito ang katapusan. Ang mga dayuhan ay hindi titigil sa pagsubok na sakupin ang ating lupain. Kailangan nating patuloy na ipagtanggol ang ating lupain. Ipangako ko sa sarili ko na patuloy kong ipagtanggol ang aking lupain. Hindi ako titigil sa paglaban para sa kalayaan ng aking bayan. Hindi ako susuko sa mga dayuhan. Ako ay isang mangdirigma ng Mactan. Ako ay isang tagapagtanggol ng aking lupain. Hindi ako susuko, hindi ako natakot. Ako ay patuloy na ipagtanggol ang aking lupain.
Sa aming...
Ako ay nag-iisip tungkol dito. Pero, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong... Datu Lapu-Lapu. Pero Magellan, dapat kang mag-ingat.
Good take, good. But Magellan, Lapu-Lapu doesn't agree with Christianity. What we will do?
Oh, kami ay handa na para mamatay para sa ating lupain.
Magsasanay at magpapalakas upang pagtanggol ang ating lupain, kalayaan at ating tradisyon.
Magaling. Tayo ay Good take na kain. Umalis na kayo. Muno lang pinatos.